Hey everybody, it's Mark, Mark's Home Hobbies and Yard Work Service Company, I guess. Yeah, this is a tool that you use to clean up the wasted yard that you end up with when you use a mini chainsaw or a regular chainsaw or a regular old hand cutters, whatever kind of cutter you want. Anything up to inch and 3/4 diameter. You can jam down in this machine right here, and you can put it right down through the top there. And as you can see, I've used it. It works very well. It does jam up once in a while, if you push too much stuff through it and you don't clean out the little, it has a little barrel even right down here. You can see that. Very nice. It's one of the only ones that has this good heavy duty plastic frame there, and it does cost a little bit more than the other ones, I'll have to say. I'm gonna want to say it was around 200 bucks on Amazon, and they're not endorsing me. I'm not getting paid anything by this company here. I bought this with my own money because I needed a good one. I have lots of brush and bushes and stuff like that in my backyard. I'll show you in just a minute. So anyways, I don't know anything about the company. Basically, it has a 2-year warranty supposedly, and that includes everything. So if there's a problem, you just call them up and supposedly they replace it. Has 16-to-1 mulching ratio, which is really nice. It does hold a lot of chips, we'll just call it chips. It does, it will chip up a pretty good sized branch, but I don't know if I'd go inch and 3/4. Yeah, it's a pretty big branch. It'd have to be some really soft wood. But inch, is no problem. Maybe 1.25 inches, something like that. It might sound kind of funny when it's going through there that thick, but it will cut it. It has 2 razor blades and a metal disc and a metal chute that it's all attached to the motor. And it is a very strong motor. I mean, you can bog it down if if you're doing a lot of green stuff, shredding, a lot of stuff with leaves. It'll clog up on you once in a while, but it's very easy to clean. Has an automatic switch when you have the cover open that you can't start the motor, so you can't stick your hand in there and get it chopped off. But I will advise you to make sure that you wear these, because when you're handling branches and all that, the little tiny picker branches will get you on the hands, and it will tear your hands up very good. So get yourself a pair of leather gloves. Make sure you don't have any baggy clothing on that could get stuck, and don't ever stick your hand down inside the hole. Use this thing. If it gets jammed up, you just stick that down in the hole there, and that'll unplug it. So if you follow those rules, you won't have any problems. You won't lose any fingers. You'll be happy, and you'll have a bunch of chips. So at that point, I'll take you out to the backyard and show you what I've been up to. Stay tuned. All right. Here was the pile that was once maybe up, so you couldn't even hardly see over the top of it. This is all that remains of it. That over there, that's some stuff that's too big to go through the machine that I need to cut down. And here's that's the sawdust laying in the flower beds there. Yep, and you can see the work that I did with the mini chainsaw here. Cut all this down to about 6 feet or so tall. And all this is more bedding there. I cleaned this bird bath out for the birdies. Now you can see some of the logs that I cut with that little mini chainsaw. That thing works great. Well worth the $30. Still got a little bit of work to do back here. Yep, but she's looking a lot better. You can see the rest of the yard here. And I'm gonna run the mower pretty soon. It's supposed to be extremely hot today and humid, and I hope to get this stuff, over up onto the deck at least, so I can cut the grass today. Should only take me about a half an hour. It's kind of windy out here too, so it's even though the sun is hot, it's windy and it's nice. So maybe we'll put our big hat on and go to it. I still got to do over there. A lot of weeding, a lot of work. I'll be glad when all this is done. Yeah. gets to be too much once you get a little bit older. When you're young, it's fine. But this is the main reason right here why I got the riding lawnmower, because it's not that I can't push the lawnmower all around this yard. It's that combined with the edging, the blowing, the landscaping, cleanup, maintenance around the house and things like that, it just gets to be a pretty big chore, and you could spend a few days out here in the hot sun. So take it from a fairly old guy that you're going to want to get you a riding lawnmower at some point in your life. Anyways, just thought I'd make this quick video letting you know what's going on around here. Mark's Home Hobbies. Have a great day. Better tomorrow, 4th of July. Celebrate. Not too much though. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.